Where are we about to go to?
The park.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Back at the park again today to ride the monster truck. Make it go fast. You got open land. Keep holding. Take the monster truck to the playground. Yeah, it ain't gonna fit. Can't fit. Chase him with the monster truck.
I'm scared to be attacked.
Chase the other one. He's up there. Chase him. Get him moving. Alright, they want to let one of them try to catch you with it? Mm-hmm.
Get over here! Get over here! Get over here! I'm coming for you! Coming for you!
Alright, you ready? Go. Whoa. Rick. Didn't work. That almost. One more try. We did it! Wrecked again. Back at the old swamp again. Really trying to catch some more animals. This poor dead frog has turned completely white. I think so. We did it. We put it underwater. That was scary.
It was, but there's a fish. There's a dragon.
Where are we about to go to? What'd you tell him, bro, Griggy? He's a turtle. That scared him a little bit. Right here's that big frog we seen the other day. I'm gonna try to get him, scare him over here. Hopefully we can catch him.
No!
I've never seen a frog try to just be stronger than something. Look, he's just trying to be stronger than a stick. He burrows down.
Push him, push him. Oh! Oh, you got it.
Keep going. Come on, come over here, buddy.
Yeah, I can see you. I'm ready. I'm all ready. I'm all mine. No!
No!
That's why I want to try to catch it.
He got away. That big boy's too smart. Can't catch him. Can you hear me underwater? It is me. You got one?
Frog.
Hey, caught a frog.
I can't call him by the legs. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna let you go right here. He feels so weird. There he is. He feels like a trumpet. There we go, buddy.
There. See that little frog right there? Yeah. Right to there.
It's so tiny!
Look how little he is.
He's so tiny. Look at him, he's like this. Aww. I never got a frog this size. Oh! Oh, he got him. I got him. Oh! I got him. Ay! Oh, this is weird. I see him. I see him. Hey, frog. I got him. I got him. Right here. In my hand. Got him. It's okay.
Alright, so turn him back loose.
Where? I'm gonna turn him like right here. Has a lot of room. Oh! I got him. I see him. He's out there. I caught him. He just jumped so fast.
No, just toss him in it.
Oh, there you go. He's just swimming. La 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 la. He just wants to come towards us. He's so tiny. Come here, buddy.
He just wants back on land.
Yeah. I'll help you.
There, he's got it. He's good. We came back to the waterfall to see if we could see some turtles. Oh, I see a snake. I there's a snake there. What's on that rock? Lily wants me to throw a rock at it and see if I can get it to move. I'm gonna try to kill it. Come here, hurry. It has a baby. Down in the water. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that snake was with a smaller snake. That maybe could be its baby or its younger boyfriend. Where we about to go to?